is up, folks? So, on today's episode, we'll be reacting to Chakra Khan. Tennessee Whiskey, see you on Wednesday. So, before I go into this amazing reaction, or I could say crispy voice, or I could say Mr. Crispy Voice, I just want to sweet up for the ladies. Because I don't want to pass any female alongside my reaction, and they have stated something like, hey, you smell as if you wasn't take a shower from a couple days ago. I don't want that, so I have to keep on smelling great for the females with something called Playboy. It's one of the best perfume yet, so I have to smell sweet for the ladies. Yeah, so Mr. Khan, it's your time. So without further ado, peeps, let's dive into what Mr. Khan has in store for me right now. Take a walk with me. I'll be right back with y'all. Okay, and greetings from Jamaica. As you guys can see, the Jamaican flag in the background here. Greetings from Jamaica. So let's dive right in. Peace.
Never let the glass empty. I used to spend my nights out in a ballroom.
Guys, I'm so happy. I'm so happy because I know what this man is capable of, because when I've done a reaction to him before, it was very surprising. And this was recorded 2 years ago, and that was 2021. And Chakra Khan is one of my favorite of all time. With his extraordinary, unique voice, he has gave me a captivating moment to feel comfortable within his zone of singing. There's not one specific time I've done a reaction to this man and I haven't feel completed. Very amazing voice, and what I like about his voice, it is very crispy. A voice that you never heard from somebody else otherwise from Chakra Khan. Let's continue.
Liquor was the only love I know. But when you rescue me from reaching for the bottom, drown me back from being too far gone.
Whoa, Mr. Khan, you are one of my most favorite singers of all time. With this, you have earned a lot of respect from me and with all your supporters who are supporting my content, viewers, my subscribers, my subscriptions of Chakra Khan. Guys, you are always welcome on my platform. You are always welcome to be a part of my Jamaican movement, my Jamaican tradition. Because with a man like this, with such exquisite, amazing voice, it is always a pleasure to have him on my platform. You guys are always welcome. And Mr. Khan, if you're watching this, bro, excellent performance, bro. Excellent voice, bro. Voice control is on point, my G. Let's continue.
Tennessee whiskey.
happy, guys. This voice literally makes my complete day fulfilled. And the day is not yet over. And the day, hearing this one's voice, feel accomplished already. Very good. Very, very good. I shall give this man a solid 10 out of 10 and a 100 percentage mark for passing with one of the most stupendous voices I've heard in my entire lifetime, bro. Cakra, very, 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 very exquisite voice, my G. Something that not every and anyone can do. You are a unique personnel, my G. Very good.
Honey, I stay strong on your love all the time. And I look for love in all the same old places. For the bottom of a bottle always dry. But when you pour out your heart, I didn't waste it, no, I won't. Yes, 'cause there's nothing like your love to get me high.
Guys, what I love about this man is that I'm feeling his performance. I'm feeling his voice. I can see that he's enjoying singing to us. He's enjoying what he's doing most. And respectably, I respect people who love doing what they're doing best. Bro, this gives me chills, bro.
You're sweet as strawberry wine. You're warm as a glass of brandy.
Guys, and to be honest, I think the first time I've heard this Tennessee Whiskey song was from Chris Stapleton. And bro, when I've heard Chris Stapleton do a song like this, bro, or I don't even know if it's his song, but when I've heard that man sing this song, bro, it is magnificent. All are magnificent. His notes, his voice is magnificent. And here comes Cakra Khan with this magnificent voice. Bro, there are a lot of talented people out there in this world. I'm yet awaiting to see them, bro. Bro, this is so good.
How did I stay strong on your love all the time? Hey. Let me introduce you, Raymond, Dizzy, dan mga kamera, Jaya, dan Mati yang kita.
Greetings, bro. Greetings from Jamaica. And my Jamaican supporters who are watching this, bro, we love you all, bro. We love you all, bro. Thank you so much for this amazing voice, my G. Guys, to be honest, I don't even know how we do it, but the note that he pulled a moment ago, bro, goosebumps right through, bro. That give me chills. That give me chills, bro. Wow.
Hey!
Bro, this is so beautiful. This is very, very beautiful. Amazing job. Amazing voice and amazing performance done by Chakra Khan. Let's finish up, guys.
One more time.
Guys, thank you all so much for watching. What are your thoughts on this? And before I go, happy Sunday to you all. Whenever time you are watching this video, today is Sunday. So happy Sunday and have a productive week. I'll see you next time around. Peace out, guys. One love.